NCERT class 9th exercise 13.5 question number 1, and this exercise is generally based upon the topic of the cuboid. And what is cuboid? Which has different length, breadth and height. Now the question number 1, a matchbox measures 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes? That means we have 12 matchboxes. Okay, we have 12 matchboxes and we have to find the volume of all such packets. Firstly, we have to find the volume of one packet. So, it is given in this form. So, length of the matchbox is equal to 4 centimeter. Breadth of the matchbox is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And height of the matchbox is equal to 1.5 centimeter. In case of cuboid, length, breadth and height all are different. So, volume for cuboid. Volume of cuboid, just remember the formula, length into breadth into height. Okay. So, volume of one packet, volume of one matchbox, it is equal to 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. Now we multiply. 25 4s are 100 into 1.5. This 0 get cancelled. When we multiply this, we get 150. Now one decimal, this also get cancelled. So 15. Now when we write the volume, this is in centimeter. That means centimeter cube. Now we have to find the volume of packet containing 12 such one. So we have to multiply with 12. So total volume is equal to 15 into 12, which is equal to 12 5s are 60, 12 1s are 12, 12 is 18 centimeter cube, and this is our proper answer. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? That means we have a water tank. Then we have to calculate how much water that tank will hold down. Now the tank has a length, breadth and height which is given in this. But the water, whenever we find the waters in liter, then what will we do in the later? I will tell you. So watch this video till end. Firstly, we find out the volume of cuboidal tank. Volume of cuboidal tank, which is equal to length into breadth into height. Now length, breadth and height all are given in meters. So there is no problem. 6 into 5 into 4.5. So when we multiply, we get 6 into 5 4s 5 5. Firstly multiply 6 5s are 30 into 4.5, which is equal to 0. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. 1 13. So this is point, it get cancelled. 135 meter cube. But now listen carefully. Whenever we got the volume in meter, whenever we got the volume in liter and we have to convert it into liter, we have to multiply by 1000. Okay, then its volume is converted into liters. But when we have volume in centimeter cube and we have to convert it into liter, we have to divide it by 1000. So in this case, we have the volume in meter cube. So we have to multiply with 1000. 135 into 1000, which is equal to 135,000 liters. So please remember this trick in order to solve these types of problems. Meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of the liquid? As soon as we observe in the question, it is written over here cuboidal. Okay, that means length, breadth and height are different to each other. Now, it is also given in the question cubic meters. Cubic meters, that we use the formula for volume. Okay, so volume of the vessel, is equals to length into breadth into height. Now, how high must be made to hold 380 cubic meter? What is 380 cubic meter? It is the volume. That means it can be written as 380 cubic meter. That means meter cube. It is written in this way. That means it is meter cube, that means it is volume. So we write over here 380. What is the length and breadth? 10 meter long, because it is long, 8 meter wide. This is breadth, and height we don't know. Okay. So we get 380 over 10 into 8, which is equals to height. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. Now when we divide, 4 4s are 16, 3 19, 4 7s are 28, 4.75 meter is the height of that cuboidal vessel. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad, 3 meter deep at the rate of 30 per meter cube. क्वेश्चन को समझो. डिगिंग माने होता है गड्ढा खोदना. एक हमें क्यूबाइडल पिट माने गड्ढा. एक हमें क्यूबाइडल गड्ढा खोदना है जो कि 8 मीटर लंबा है, 6 मीटर चौड़ा है और 3 मीटर वो गहरा हुआ है. उसमें जो पैसे लगते हैं 30 पर मीटर क्यूब, यानी 1 मीटर क्यूब गड्ढा खोदा जाएगा तो 30 रुपए लगेंगे. तो टोटल हमें कितने पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे अगर हम ऐसा गड्ढा खुदाते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम उसका वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्या चीज है, गड्ढे को क्या कहते हैं, पिट. वॉल्यूम ऑफ पिट, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट. तो आपका ये है लॉन्ग कितना है 8 मीटर, ब्रेथ कितनी है 6 मीटर और डीप कितना है 3 मीटर. अब हमने इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया. 8 6 जा 48 इंटू 3, 3 8 जा 24, 3 4 जा 12, 13 14 और ये वॉल्यूम है तो मीटर क्यूब. 30 रुपीज लगते हैं 1 मीटर में. तो टोटल कॉस्ट हो जाएगी 144 इंटू 30, which is equal to 0. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 113, 3 1s are 3, 14 rupees. So that means 4,320 rupees are spent in digging that pit.